how to post long photos on Instagram. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to post long photos on Instagram. Alright, let's get started. Over here, first, make sure you have a 9:16 ratio image, and you'll also need an Instagram business account linked to a Facebook page if you want to create an image for free. So, first head over to leonardo.ai, adjust the resolution to 9:16, write your prompt, and that's it. After that, go to imgur.com and click on New Post and upload your image. Wait for it to fully upload, then copy the link. Then go to make.com and click on Create New Scenario and search for Instagram for Business. Scroll down to find Create Photo Post. If you want to post multiple images like a carousel, scroll down a bit further. Now connect your Instagram account. Click Create Connection, name it, then save. Accept the Facebook confirmation to link your accounts. Select the Facebook page linked to the Instagram account you're posting to. Paste the Imgur link in the photo URL section, and if needed, add .png at the end. If you want to add a caption, you can do so here. Then click OK and run once. After that, refresh your Instagram account to see the new long image post. So that's basically how you can post long photos on Instagram. That's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.